The Portland CNC Dust Boot changed dust collection for many CNC router shops with its huge airflow increase, but it had one annoying issue. The brushes like to get smashed. We greatly improved this issue with a solution so good, it seems, that it was soon imitated by lesser versions in our modular ATC pedestals. They let you add more tools to your CNC router in a precision index system. This eliminated 80% of the brush crushing, but there were still some frustrating bad hair problems from catching the pedestals during tool changes. Today, we aim to remove the last 20% with our slim brush plate. It is narrow enough to miss any of the pedestal-style racks and also increases the suction focus. That means picking up even more dust and making you more money. We've always seen our dust boot as a bag of tools rather than a single option. This works with any previous version of our dust boot, includes the Laguna and Avid models. Use our dust boot for flat sheet work like cabinetry or complex 3D carving, stacked up with spacers to reach deeper, all while removing the slowness of docking. Stop letting your dust get away and let the robots do the cleaning.